Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the translation. In this video, we are going to discuss about Caspa. Is it really possible if bull run happen, Caspa go as high as $10? As you may know, in this channel, we have a look on the economy behind of this project, and based off the economy and the tokenomic of that specific project and the comparison with the other competitor, we estimate and we predict this scenario, like the Caspa to the $10, is it possible? Is it doable for that specific coin or token or not? Now we want to discuss about Caspa. Caspa, at the time of recording, it is trading slightly under 7 cents, and it's about 0.067, and it's coming back to its support area. What we can find here, Caspa almost was on its distribution phase, and it was kind of a Vyckoff distribution, and now it's coming back to its previous support area. It has a great potential of the community. Why I'm saying this one? The reason behind is, just imagine these people, they invest in a Caspa. In the bottom of the bear market, they gained more than, even till now, more than 4,000%, which most of the coin, more than 98% of the coin, they were not able to do that. Then it has a great community of millionaire. To the top, what we can find, it is more than 12,000%. Just be aware of this community point. Of course, this coin, it's a proof of work. It doesn't have the possibility for the smart contract. These are the fundamental issue this project has, but still do not underestimate this community behind of this project. Okay, I'm not saying you must buy this coin. We looking on the fact, we are looking on the data, we are not talking out of nowhere. Okay, then another good point is this coin has a max supply, it's proof of work. Then this around 10-11% cannot come just quickly, and it has different kind of circulating, what we can see here, different model this coin has in compared to the other proof of work project. The good point is the market cap is not big. We can see around $1.72 billion market cap. Then for this crypto, if it can go as high as $6 to $10, we are talking about another 10 to 15x, which already had this 12. That's why it is in this huge distribution phase. Many people, they bought here and they are selling this coin in this area after this long-term consolidation, which is almost till now more than 487 days. Okay, just be aware of this point as well. About the inflation, doesn't have that much inflation. From the last time all-time high, it has only 6% inflation. The percent to recovery, it's about 200%, which is good to see, to be honest with, for this coin. But lack of utility for the coin is a big obstacle. Coin is real, is really new. What we can see, it's only in this bull run, is just coming up, and in this halving, this is the situation of the coin with respect to the previous halving of Bitcoin. In terms of the bull market support band and the 4 years moving average, we cannot see the 4 years moving average, of course, because this is a new. And in terms of the bull market support band, it's trading under the bull market support band. Then is it a good time to accumulate this coin? If we have a look on a short-term bubble risk, what we can find is when the coin, it is in this bluish area, it's a good time to think about it for a DCA. I'm not saying it's the right time to buy, but what I want to say, when the coin, it is in the red area, this reddish, yellowish, it's not a time to think about it, to buy it. But now, if you believe on this project, if you're part of the community, if you think this project has some promises they can do, then you can have a look now on this project. About the performance, since we don't have the year-to-date performance for the previous cycle, we cannot actually compare it, but still we can compare it with the two previous years, about 2024 and 2023. This performance is underperforming with respect to the two previous years. Then in terms of the drawdown for this crypto, what we can see currently, it's correcting minus 67% from the all-time high, and the percent recovery it needs to the model with the inflation and without inflation, it needs around 200%. But just also keep it in mind that we are talking about something like, okay, from here 200%, but the bottom it's so dangerous. Just be aware of this point as well if you want to invest on this project. Let's compare it with the Litecoin, with the Bitcoin Cash, with the Dogecoin to see, is it this $10 in the bull run? Is it reality? It's possible or not? If you want to compare it, Caspa with the Litecoin, current market cap, it will be around 31 cents, which already this crypto went around 20 cents, and it has 353%. It's above its all-time high because over there was around 200%. If you want to compare it to the Litecoin all-time high, it can go as high as $1, around $1, and it has the potential of 1,347%. If you want to compare it with the Bitcoin Cash to see this performance, we can find it is about $2.50. It has around 3,500%. And with the Dogecoin, just for the sake of comparison, we can say even in the all-time high for the Dogecoin was about $88 billion, and it can go as high as $3.5 for each Caspa. Then we can compare it with the Cardano, just for the sake of comparison, because Cardano was around $195 billion. Then it has about 3.70, and it has the potential of 5,200%. Then $10 for Caspa, when we compare the market share with the other platform, with the proof of work, with the layer 1, $10 is really hard target. Even now, we can see a good project like Ethereum, they struggle to attract a new investor, and this project still, it's in the downtrend in the Bitcoin pair, and even in the USD pair is not able to print a new all-time high in this cycle. Then here we can just compare it with the other proof of work to see if it's really good time to start to accumulate or buy this crypto. What we can see, the percent to the real all-time high in compared to the other projects, the best one is a Bitcoin Cash, because Bitcoin Cash all-time high was long time ago. It was 2 cycles ago. Then we can see Litecoin 220%, Dogecoin 200%, and Caspa around 187%, which is around this 200-ish area with respect to the, we can call it the real all-time high. Then if I want to conclude my word, I can say $10 for this crypto is really hard to do, but if entire of the market cap can pump, which now as of 8th of March 2025, we can see even Bitcoin cannot print a really strong all-time high, I can say it's difficult for Caspa to do a $10 in this bull run. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this kind of analysis. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and see you in the next video. Peace out.